Hi, my name's Ellie and today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own waterproof stickers at home using the print and cut feature in the Design Space app. There are a lot of designs that can be created, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make your own stickers to keep your essentials organised. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of new videos. For this project you will need the Cricut Joy Xtra machine, fine point blade, Cricut printable sticker sheets, Cricut Joy Xtra light grip machine mat, inkjet printer, storage jars or containers, desktop, laptop or mobile device. Begin by pasting the project link, which can be found in the video description below in your web browser. You'll then be prompted to open the Cricut Design Space app. Open the app and select Customise. The labels are already set to a default size, however you can change this by heading to the Edit panel and tapping on your chosen label and resizing as desired. Once you are happy with everything, select Make It. Place a sheet of the waterproof sticker paper into your printer. Select the Send to Printer option on the screen and your labels will begin printing. Once printed, stick the page onto the mat. Then, take the transparent laminate vinyl and peel the long strip from the top. Line it up, placing it on top of the stickers, and peel the rest of the backing away, and smooth the whole sheet over the page. Select your material that you are using from the catalogue. For ease, you can type it into the search bar at the top. Place the mat under the two white tabs. Press the Go button on the screen to begin. The machine will begin by scanning the sheet to ensure everything is aligned correctly, then the cut will begin. Once the cut is complete, unload the mat and carefully remove the sheet from the cutting mat. The stickers are then ready to be used, applied to the glass jars, reusable containers and more.